Dye penetrant examination is an important method in non-destructive testing on materials. This is the basic steps in dye penetrant examination. We will discuss those steps during practical. We wish to inspect these two weld samples. Often the surface of a workpiece is covered with rust or paint which masks the material defects as shown in the sectional view. Therefore, the first step is always the pre-cleaning of test piece surface. If it's a really greasy or dirty, you can spray directly onto the plate. This plate is very clean, so I am going to clean like this. This must be done with much attention. So that any defects present here, it's a crack are open to the surface. Second step is apply penetrant. In the second step, that penetrant is applied to the test piece. Usually a red colored low viscosity oil we use. Due to the penetrant's high surface wetting capability, it penetrates into the defects and cracks. After several times of dwell time, the third step is remove the excess penetrants using that way. The penetrants removal removes the penetrants completely from the surface but leaves in the cracks. After dyeing the test piece, a developer applied onto the surface. The developer is a fine-grained white powder suspended in a liquid. It forms an even coating on the surface after drying. It draws penetrants from the cracks out on the surface. The location of the crack is indicated on the surface is deep red color like this.